teachers, students, let me say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. The essence of coming here this morning to interact with you, much has been said by your head teacher. And the issue here this morning is that my ministry, that is the Ministry of Inner City and ZONGO Development, is in collaboration with the Iran Clinic to help bring medical attention to your doorsteps. One important thing in life is how to keep the body clean. But unfortunately, sometimes you have some parasites on your body, and so you get a lot of itches, and then you contract other diseases like scabies. But I adore you so much, and so it has been agreed between my ministry and Iran Clinic to go to at least 20 ZONGO schools in Greater Accra. And we agreed. But out of it, I have chosen that we should have 3 schools coming from MADINA. We have any problem to your skin, feel very free, very comfortable to express your feeling. Okay? Express your feeling to of the medical team here. And so take him as either a senior brother or as a father. Me, some of you call him your grandfather. You see how it is? So it is so important that we give you that attention. The reason why we are interested in you, the youth, is because you are the future of our country. And one important cardinal factor in life is how to have a very good and healthy skin. If you don't have a good and healthy skin, one, you can't have good friends. Because anywhere you sit, people would begin making fun of you, but probably it's not your making. But at this early age of your life, if you have such a skin disease, it is easy to medicate it and solve the problem for you. And even beginning with you and teaching you how to keep your skins good, it means that the future will be bright for the other ones who will be coming up, because you will be used to it and you will relate the message to them. And when you go home too, you will relate the information to your parents.
What's your name?
My name is Yunus Abubakar.
Speak louder.
Yunus Abubakar.
Yunus Abubakar. You are in JHS1?
Yes.
Okay. So what's the problem today?
Today my problem is itching my eye.
Your eye is itching. Okay. For how long has it been?
2 years. It's 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Do you have any pain associated with the eye? Do you have any pain on the eye?
Yes. When I itch it, it will become red and it will be paining me.
It will be paining you. Do you have any discharges? Do you have any discharges coming from the eye?
Water. Water will become.
Just only water. So when you wake up, do you have any discharges or any flame around your eye?
The Ministry of Inner City and ZONGO Development is the only ministry that is location specific. And the location we are talking about are deprived areas. In most of these deprived areas, the issue of overcrowding and poor infrastructure is prevalent.
That's helped me a lot of ways. That's helped me take good care of myself, even though anywhere or at home. That made me get good ways, so that if I take good care of myself, I'll not fall sick, and it will take away, and I'll become healthy.
Skin-related diseases is a kind of disease that is contagious, that can be transferred from one person to the other. And as a school, children shake hands, sit by each other, interact, and then the human skin, the body touching each other, children lying on the same bed with their siblings and friends and even parents in the house, where skin-related diseases will be transferred from one person to the other. So it's something that is huge, that is affecting children, especially in this particular school.
Because of the nature of accommodation and infrastructure and the overcrowdedness that we're talking about, issues of skin diseases, communicable skin diseases is very prevalent. In that case, when we had Iran Clinic come in with a proposal on treating skin diseases, we thought that was a very big and good opportunity for us to jump on.
It has helped me a lot, and one of the things that has helped me is that helped me to practice personal hygiene very well. I know it, but it has increased it. And two, not to share maybe my towel, sponge and other things with friends or siblings.
Of the things that we have to do to keep ourselves clean, to ensure that our skins are protected from skin diseases.
We thought it wise to start with the children, school children, because they are the most vulnerable segment of society. And at the same time, when they get educated, they'll be able to send this message to their parents. You know, the major topical issue today is about skin diseases. And unfortunately, back home, because of our extended family system, you have 3, 4 children using one sponge, 2, 3, 4, 5 children using one towel. It means that if one person has a contagious disease on his skin, which is transferable, using one towel means 5 people have already been infected. So it is so important for us to give them this education first, and then examine each person in the school and see whoever has any medical problem will readily be attended to. And the Iran Clinic has agreed with us to give all the children free coupon to come to Iran Clinic for free medical attention.
Expertise, the doctors, the nurses have given us the opportunity to do for 20 schools. And we have the location and we have the need. So we felt that the collaboration will do us a lot of good, hence this program.
This intervention is so crucial, it's so beneficial. We believe that it will help in a very long way to prevent skin-related disease transfer, and those who actually have it will have their related sicknesses taken care of by the clinic. So that's why we are so happy the program is taking place in our school.